Welcome back to CAD Inventions. Today our diagram is this. So this is our 3D model. We are going to design this. So let me start my drawing. So the same procedure, I created a new file, actually a part file, and then I named it as pin. So let me see what are the features has to be sketched first. Here is a circle. We have all circles joined together. Let me start it from the bottom view. This is what the top view, this is the front view, this is a bisected view actually, and this is a side view. The circle is of radius 31. The outermost circle is of radius 31. Let me start sketching. And for this 3D model, I am selecting from the origin itself. I am not shifting the origin. Randomly create your circles, and then after last we can give those measurements. I am constraining it. It has been given as radius, so I am changing it to radius for our better 31, and this is of radius 43. So we need to go, it's 31, the outermost is of radius 16, the innermost circle is of 12, this radius is of 40. They are given here as diameter 40. I am drawing a circle with the same origin, like the same horizontal line. It is of radius 16. The same again. I am drawing another circle, the radius of 12. See here, it is of diameter 12, sorry, it's a diameter of 12. This is of radius 16, and here is radius 31, and inner circle, the inner circle is of diameter 40, and the distance between these two circles is of 68. So you have to define all those measurements. So let me change this to 6, radius 6. The distance was about 68. Let me change it to 68. Sorry. If you don't get that 68, nothing but divide 68 by 2. We will be getting of 34. So I have made it of divided it into 34 and 34. So now we have to do a bitangent line. I am selecting two circles. Go to line. You will be seeing a bitangent line. Select a point here and here. You got the line. Same thing we have to do for all 4 times. Top 2 and bottom 2. Okay, so now we have to trim the unwanted part. Quick trim, double click it, so you will be getting a very continuous trimming option, or else you have to do it Clear? Now it's okay. Give escape. Guys, we have done with the outermost layer. See, we have done with the outermost layer. Now we have to go for the exit workbench. The same option, we will be using pad option here. We have to see how much you have to pad the model. It is about 50. So it is of 15. We have done with the outermost layer. Now we have to go for the innermost circle. For example, you can see here the projection, right? We have to project the circle and we have to make an outermost circle. We have 2 more steps yet. The same thing, the circle has to be drawn for diameter 40 and it has to be projected to 42. Okay, same thing, select the outermost, that is like top face, and give a sketch. We got the sketch. Okay, since we have the starting profile with the respect of the origin, no need to draw any axis line here. We can, as usual, we can draw with the same origin point. We have to pad it. 42 minus 15, 27. See here, from the midpoint of this circle, this U curve, right? This, from this U curve and to the bottom it is of 42 and here it is of 15. So we have to also, what is the U curve? What's its radius is of? Its radius is of 10. So you got it as 27, right? We have to minus 5. Nothing but 27 minus 5. Clear? See? So now the same thing. Select this line. And one more thing is that from here we are going to do a shaft work for getting this oval, like cup like a rounded one. You select the side view for drawing this. See? So I'm projecting only this line and making it as reference. Now again I'm selecting the profile pic. So okay, I need an arc. For bringing an arc, you can select 3-point arc with limits, because we need from here to here. Select first 2 endpoints and then your middle point. It is of radius . We have to make it the radius of 20. Now we have to make this profile as a closed profile, or else you will not get a shaft work command to be operated. Clear? If you want to delete this reference line, you can also delete the reference line. It's no matter. And before you come exiting the workbench, you have to make sure that this point These 2 points has to coincide. See, I'm exiting the workbench. We got it. Now select the shaft command. Give a preview. See, we got a cup. Okay, the same model as this. Now we have to create this group. It's nothing but we can also do it by group, or you can also do it by pocket. The circle is of radius 10. It's of radius 10. Okay, same thing. For this we have to select the front view. The same thing, I need to project this line. I'm selecting the line and making it as a reference. I need to draw a circle so that I can make an U model. Okay, I'm going to soften. See guys, it's of diameter 10. Now I need to make a line. Before that I need to trim the unwanted circle, right? Okay, I'm selecting the profile. I'm selecting this line. I'm drawing a straight line. The same way, I'm drawing the straight line. I have made the U-turn. So if you want, you can also delete those reference line. If you don't need it, just leave it as such. Select it for reverse direction or mirror extend, the same as that, or even for last, after last. Preview. See, we have did it. Now turn it in the bottom, select the bottom face, give sketch. Our next one thing is that we have to draw this diameter of 20, because we have to create a hole here. Can you see here? You have to make it as pocket. I'm selecting the center. The same procedure, select a circle and give the measurement as diameter 20. It should be of diameter 20. See, diameter 20. Exit workbench, pocket. See here, up to last, or it should be up to, not up to last. Select dimension, increase the length, depth. Yes, increase the depth. You could see the depth increased. 36, or let it be 35. See, can you see this? Now our next work is to select the side plane to create a hole. The same thing, the hole is of, this is what our side view is. We have to make a hole of diameter 10. The same thing I'm going to do. I'm selecting a point and making it as of diameter 10. Select the center line and the bottom. Constraint, it should be a 42 here. We got this here. The same thing, pocket, or you can give it as mirror extend. Give OK. So guys, we have made it. This is what our 3D model is. So for more videos, like our channel, subscribe our channel.